Are you looking for something spicy this year? In all seriousness, folks, this is Larry McNamara, CEO of Giant Recreation World, and I'm sitting in a brand new 2024 Cedar Creek Experience. And I'm thinking of how you and your family and loved ones can go and take a trip during this Valentine's weekend season. Just thinking about sitting here enjoying the sights in this beautiful new product that we have at all 3 locations. This one is on sale for $69,922, which is over $35,000 off MSRP. Can you believe it? Come and see us. Giant Recreation World, 3 locations. We got one in Palm Bay, one in Norman Beach, one in Winter Garden, and always on GiantRecreationWorld.com. Everything is on sale at Giant Recreation World with deals so hot they'll burn ya.